Hi, welcome to the second half of the Valentine's Day story time at the Wareham Free Library, and I'm going to teach you the sign for saying I love you for Valentine's Day. So the first thing is I, and then love is crossing your hands and touching your shoulders, and you pointing at the person you're talking to. So I love you. Now we're going to add family members. We're going to add Daddy and Mommy. So it's I love you, Daddy. It's thumb to your forehead. And then it's I love you, Mommy. And because we're at the library, I love the library. L in a circle, library. All right, good job. Now we're going to sing head, shoulders, knees, and toes. You stand up, I'll sit down so the camera can see me. All right, hands on head, you ready? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. And eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Do you want to try it a little faster? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. And eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Good job, everyone. Thing is, want to show parts of the face because our art activity is a STEM activity with drawing a face and couple shapes. Shape of a circle, and this I used a little like Dixie cup and made circles for the faces, and then a heart shape, and you can find lots of those examples around this time of year. And I did a couple of different colors, hearts. And we made a family, either a brother and a sister or a mommy and a daddy. So glue your two hearts, the circles on top for your face. Make sure your child draws two eyes, a nose, and a smile for a mouth. And then you can add arms, two legs, holding hands. So they say, I love you. We have a couple of coloring sheets, fancy hearts, and the kids will really love this one. A puppy holding a heart. And then we have various links on our website. We have one about chocolate, how chocolate is made. And we have another one about the history of Valentine's Day. Then we have another one with 10 STEM activities for Valentine's Day. And the last one is making fun handprint Valentines. That's a nice one because it's easy to do with kids, and kids love getting dirty. So we have fun links. I hope you enjoy it, and remember, have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I love you.